Bonjour, I guess. I'm Jeff, and today we're gonna celebrate the apricot, which is to say, we're gonna make a few different cocktails using one of my favorite ingredients, apricot brandy. It has the unique ability to lend complex fruit aromas and the sensation of sweetness to a drink without requiring extra sugar or syrups, resulting in drinks that are refreshingly dry, balanced, and light on the tongue. Using fruit liqueurs to sweeten drinks is nothing new, of course. Back in 1862, the first recipe appeared for the Daisy, which combined a base spirit like brandy or gin with lemon juice and curacao and orange liqueur. Swapping out curacao for its drier cousin triple sec led to famous Daisy variants like the Sidecar and the Margarita. But apricot liqueur, which became popular in the mid-1930s, does something that orange liqueurs don't. It lends an elegant smoothness to drinks and a slight cooling sensation. Its honeyish stone fruit flavor complements spirits in a different way than citrus products, rounding the flavors out and revealing new things you couldn't taste before. It's magic stuff. It is kinda cloudy out. Hope it doesn't rain. That would be bad. Oh well. The first apricot drink we're gonna try is the tequila-based Toreador, which is a perfect thing to order if you love the simplicity of a margarita but feel like switching things up a bit. Crap, it is totally raining. Okay, I'll just teleport somewhere exotic and warm, like inside my apartment. Alright, guess that works too. Okay, Toreador. Into our small tin, we're gonna start with a few dashes of bitters, followed by 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, and 1 ounce of Giffard apricot liqueur. Then we'll add 1.5 ounces of tequila. Silver or Blanco tequilas work great, but I prefer the slightly more complex Reposado type here. The jamminess in the apricot vibes well with the mild aging you get in a Reposado tequila. Then, as usual, we're gonna shake this hard on 1 big cube of clear, dense ice to both chill and incorporate air into the drink. If you're using smaller pieces of ice, reduce your shake time so you don't water the drink down. By the way, if you want to make great shaking cubes at home, check out the clear ice tutorial on my YouTube and Instagram page. It's fun, I think. So, we'll just strain into a chilled coupe, and boom, a Toreador. No garnish required. Can't wait to taste this thing. It's clearing up outside. Maybe we'll just zap back up to the roof and make the other drinks there before we taste. Yeah, that's the move. Alright. Hooray, no rain. Okay, next, we're gonna swap the tequila out for Pisco to make one of my favorite summer cocktails, the Pisco-Apricot Tropicale. This is an addictively refreshing way to enjoy Pisco, a light brandy made most commonly from quebranta grapes in Chile and Peru, and it's a bit of a simpler drink to put together than your traditional Pisco sour. So, just like the Toreador, we're gonna start with... Again? Are you frickin'... Ugh! Okay, anyway, just like the Toreador, we're gonna start with Angostura bitters, then we'll do 3/4 of an ounce of lime, and 1 ounce apricot, and then we'll finish with 1.5 ounces of Pisco. Then we'll ice it up, shakeroo. Cats don't particularly like this noise, so sorry to cats. At my old bar, we used to drink Tropicales before a long Saturday shift, so to me, they're kind of a good luck drink. Speaking of luck, it stopped raining again. Maybe we'll try the roof one more time, make our last drink up there, and have a big tasting party? Yeah, might as well. A lot of teleporting is maybe not the best for the stomach. Screw it. Yep, I feel weird now. But whatever. Let's make Apricot Drink 3, a Hop Toad. It uses very similar specs. We're just dropping the bitters and ditching the Pisco in favor of funky Jamaican rum. If you're a daiquiri lover, I highly recommend trying one of these amphibians. So, to get started, we'll... Mother... Wait a minute. Oh no. Oh, sorry. Whew. Okay, We're okay. No more teleporting though. We are done for the day. Hop toad time. Lime juice first this time. Again, 3/4 of an ounce, and feel free to cut the lime rather than breaking it in half with your hand somehow. Then 1 ounce of Giffard Apricot, the best smelling stuff in the universe. Except for maybe Dr. Bird Jamaican rum, which is super funky and incredible smelling. 1.5 ounces of that. And we'll just find some ice. And shake heartily. Then strain into chilled Coop Town. Now let's drink, finally. What's amazing about these 3 cocktails is how incredibly different they are, despite how similar their recipes may look on paper. The Giffard Apricot tastes like fresh-picked fruit. It is that aromatic, but it also doesn't overpower these drinks. It just highlights what makes each of the base spirits special. In the Toreador, it smooths out the aged tequila's smoky minerality, making it like a really interesting, mature margarita variation. In the Tropicale, it emphasizes the elderflowery perfume of the Pisco, and to me, tastes like good luck. And then the apricot cools off the fermented sugarcane funkiness of the Jamaican rum in the hop toad. If I had to pick a favorite, it might be the toad, but it just depends on your mood at the moment. I mean, 3 different yous would probably love all 3 equally. And this is just the tip of the Apricot Berg. It's got endless uses, so we'll dig into more of those soon. Okay, bye.